ఎంత ఈ బైక్?
270.
ఇది 2,70,000 దీని అమ్మ జీవితం.
Hello guys, namaste and welcome back to vlog. And in today's vlog, do you know where we are going? Yes, it's to Konda Pochamma Sagar Reservoir. Name itself is a bit long, but reservoir is also big and it's good too. I already visited once, so that's in car, and now we are going on bikes. We have few friends who will be joining there at Paradise, so we'll be meeting them. Currently we are at Kukatpalli, starting from here. So stay tuned till the end of the vlog and watch the entire video. If you like, just hit on like button. If you want to share this video, if you want to go to this place, hit on share button. If you want to say something, just feel free to comment. And if you want to see more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Here we are at fuel station, and we can see around 6 to 7 bikes standing in line. Chalo chalo chalo, line by line. तू कौन है साइड में आ रहा? रुक. This fuel station do not have card and town, so we are packing up for next fuel station. ఏంట్రా వావు, పొద్దు పొద్దున ఇంతమంది ఉన్నారు. ऊपर रखो. हाँ, इसको लगाओ मत, इसको लगाओ मत. हाँ, वैसे ऊपर पकड़ के रखो. यहाँ पे स्क्रैचेस गिरते. इस तरह मेरे को दिन भर पकड़वाया. 500 लीटर सेल होगा, आदमी थक जाएगा मेरा, लगा के छोड़ देते. नहीं, नॉर्मल गाड़ी रहता तो छोड़ सकते, इस पे स्क्रैचेस गिरता तो फिर प्रॉब्लम ना. So we finally filled fuel here, and next stop, see the Paradise. Okay. Early morning rides are like literally, I love them seriously. So we reached Paradise, but we have some other destination to go because these people are not here for breakfast. They made another stop, so we are going at some other stop. I need to check the location. He said he sent some location. So we are almost close to the location where we wanted to go. It's on the way of Tirumalgiri actually. भाई कहाँ पे है? एक सिग्नल के पास आके हम लोग, कौन सा मिलिट्री सामने है. अच्छा, हम लोग लेफ्ट लेके बैठे हैं इसलिए वो सामने आ जाए थोड़ा. हाँ ठीक है यार. हाँ, सामने और एक सिग्नल के पास ठहरे हैं वो लोग, हमें यू टर्न लेना पड़ेगा. बुलेट पे दिख गए भाई लोग. कैसे हो? हाय ब्रो. हो गया नाश्ता? मैचिंग डालना ही पड़ता. कौन है? अरुण भाई है. और कहीं रुकना नहीं है ना? और कहीं पर रुकना नहीं है ना? हाँ क्या? Wow, city like Hyderabad having such routes, it's really amazing. Kia Carnival, नई गाड़ी है. Family going to some trip. Vehicle is good. It's completely going smooth and stable. So we also have one RE Classic 350 riders back. I think it's not Classic. It's Signal, RE Signal. I don't know, I did not observe that much. They are enjoying the feel of bullet and they are coming very slowly. I couldn't see them back. Yes, they are visible back. So people do like, comment, share this video if you like. And for more interesting videos, do comment for sure and do suggest some places, please. Because I'm not that familiar with Hyderabad. So I actually need to know things. Any kind of places, like some destinations to visit, like we are going some dam or anything. And along with that, there are also some other things, key favorite food spot, some food spots or any places to visit. Please also suggest all those things. We'll visit, we'll make some vlogs and everything. Hey na? Cool na? Please do suggest. And every weekend we are trying to plan something, go somewhere else. Every Saturday though, weekend money, it's not like Saturday and Sunday. Only on Saturday we'll be going. Sunday relax, because we also work now, so we need to relax and do all these things. Only one day we are able to take. So once we get some more followers, so we'll plan for both the days, weekend, some long tours and etc. So all we need is your support. That's it. Support के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? Like, comment, share, and especially you need to subscribe this channel to get more videos from us. See this view? Again, we are into some government officials area. I don't know what it is. So here we are at where? Wait, I'll let you know. This is some Air Force Station Hakimpet. So we are at Air Force Station Hakimpet, if you can see. There is a flight that is indicating as Air Force. Such a lovely area, such a lovely road we have. Dude, Telangana, I love you. I'm literally loving you. So I have many places to explore, so I don't know many places. Some people keep suggesting like we are going to some Shamirpet Lake, some person suggested, and this Konda Pochamma reservoir also, a person who is coming with us, Arun bhai, suggested. So people, if you keep suggesting, so it will be great. So I hope so all these people, these car people, they are coming with family. They should be going to the same places which we are going, because on this road they are the only places which we have to visit. And this is National Industrial Security Academy. Literally this road is I'm in love with this road. I literally love this. These trees, this maintenance, this clean road. Wow. We are about to end this road. I'm getting some turnings where I feel we are ending this road, and then we'll connect to highway, where once we connect highway, first we'll see Shamirpet Lake. I'll show you that one. So we are close to Shamirpet. So we are in Shamirpet and we are close to Shamirpet Lake. People keep watching, we are close. Here comes Shamirpet Lake. See. लेक को तो देखो, shit, they kept all these barricades. We are with 3 people, 1 lady, guys coming on Ari. She's coming with me, my riding partner. We are done with Shamirpet Lake. You can see the complete overview of Shamirpet Lake here. This is all Shamirpet Lake till there. So we are now going to Konda Pochamma Sagar Reservoir Dam whatever. Okay. We have a good view while we are reaching that dam. I'll show you there. You can really enjoy. See these highways, very good highways. I'm in love with highways, yaar. Yeah, people going in airways for time convenience and etc. But you just travel on road, that is something different. I don't know, you will for sure enjoy every moment that you move on roads. I literally love the same. Arun Bhai to is enjoying, he's taking selfie, video. I have songs playing in the background, and this highway and this weather, it's not too hot. धूप तो है पर इतना भी गर्म नहीं है. So we are enjoying this ride currently. See all these people who are enjoying here, they are all going to Konda Pochamma river. It's the dam itself. Guys, you can see many people, many cars here traveling, and each and every one are going to the same dam. All these cars, they are like full, they are all families and they are going to the same dam. So we finally met Arun Bhai log, who already started before us after the breakfast. Here comes a right turn on this route, the only right turn we should take, and then again straight road. So this is a beautiful route which I said I'll be showing you. So we travel some 10 kilometers or something on this road, and then we'll get the dam road. Whoa. So slowly climbing the roads, slowly, very slowly. Where is Continental City going? We can actually find many bikes here too. No way that side. Arun bhai, we'll go straight the corner. See, you can see many bikers here. There is Himalayan. No, this is Continental. We saw some people on our way and they are all here on this route itself. Woo! Guys, they are literally enjoying people who are here. Some in cars, some in bikes. Just enjoy your life. Bridge के पास नीचे उतरेंगे. Road block. There's a roadblock here which we don't have earlier before when we came. I do not understand why these car wale are like this. Wait. These fortunate people tried of turning their vehicle but they couldn't turn actually. So we need to walk till this bridge and then have fun. So done with Konda Pochamma Sagar Dam. So we are returning back. Some people came, police wale, I think they have some inspection today, so they are not allowing people to sit here. So we are going back. And here अरुण भाई को देखे ना, एकदम चमक रहे, देखो पूरा येलो येलो। मास्क भी पहनो जरा, येलो येलो मास्क। पूरा चमक रहे अरुण में आज। ये रईसी है खानदानी। ये देखो मैचिंग पूरा, नीचे एक ब्लैक के अलावा पैंट भी पूरा येलो पहन लेते, खत्म। और वहाँ पे एडवेंचर्स करते हुए पीपल नज़र आ रहे होंगे। वहाँ पे देखो लोग कैसे चढ़ ले रहे फटाफट। Inspection works going on here, so they are doing all this construction shit. Road roller. You can see there is a new road lying here. Everything. People are not willing to go, but that uncle, can you see that red color uncle? See that? That
Continue
person,
for 2 kilometers.
he's asking us to get lost. Uncle, we don't want to go, still he want to make us go. What's this exclusive views here? A complete view. It's very good. All farms. As I said, you types of farming, different trees, different farms. You will literally enjoy this place if you come. Finally reached our baby. As there is no parking space, we parked here itself. भैया की गाड़ी का है, उनकी गाड़ी आ रही है, उधर पार्कड है, वहाँ पे रेडी में है लेके आने के लिए।
ఎంత భయ్యా ఈ బైక్?
270.
ఇది 2,70,000 దీని అమ్మ జీవితం. ఏ పుట్టిల్ని ఎక్కించుకొని తిరుగుతుంది తప్పించి ఒక ఫ్యామిలీని తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి ఏం పని చేయదు.
అంటే సరిగ్గా కూర్చుంటే ఎవరైనా కూర్చోవచ్చు. So he was the guy who asked us to get out from there, from down, and he saw my bike and he wanted to ride my bike.
Yo!